Hey, what's good, PC enthusiasts? So today I'm going to show you how to remove that dual Windows boot flash screen that pops up before you get into your Windows, and sometimes it can get annoying because before you get in you have to then select the Windows that you want to use, like the default Windows, or sometimes it's just old Windows that you've deleted and do not have anymore on your system, but they keep on showing. So without wasting time, I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. So first off, all right, we're gonna come over here and then you're gonna click Windows key and R, okay, and then that little thing is gonna pop up. All right, and then you're gonna just search run. Oh, you're gonna search msconfig. All right, msconfig. All right, and then msconfig is gonna be loaded, and just so that you guys can see, I don't know if you can actually see everything here but I don't know, I'll just try to zoom it a bit. Okay, so you have general, boot, services and startup and tools. All right, you're gonna go into boot. All right, and I have one, as you can see, which is Windows 11. That's my current OS, but you'll have a bunch of them. If you have two, you'll have two. If you have three, and so on and so on. All right, but what I need you to know is that if you have a couple of them and you want to set one as your default one, then you're gonna click on it and then you're gonna select this option, set as default, and you won't be asked to select the operating system upon startup, you know, that few seconds that you get to select the operating system that you need. But if it's in the case that you don't need it anymore and it's non-existent in your operating system, I mean your PC, alright, you can just select it and then delete, and then you click apply and then you click OK, and then you're done. So yeah, that's just about it. That wasn't even complicated, but I know it's a problem that everybody has. So if you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace out.